bungalows on the left-hand side. Now we're seeing some of the Bud Westmore building on the right. That is where they build a lot of the sets that we're going to be seeing on the back lot in just a bit. They fabricate all kinds of amazing stuff in there. They got a wood shop, a metal shop, plastics, plaster. But on the left, this is where these various Universal production companies come to work every day. Michael Schur's writers, Illumination Entertainment, that make the Despicable Me and Sing, Secret Life of Pets movies, right? They come and work here, as do DreamWorks. They've got offices on the lot. Two production animation companies that work for us now. Jennifer Lopez's offices are over there on the left. These bungalows used to be the dressing rooms to the stars. In the golden age of Hollywood, Rock Hudson, Tony Curtis, Doris Day, Jimmy Stewart, Lucille Ball from I Love Lucy. These were their homes away from home. They would shoot here on the lot for years at a time. They'd only do Universal movies and TV shows. That was the way the contracts were back then. These days, actors have short contracts. One movie, one show at a time. And the classic director, Sir Alfred Hitchcock, worked right there on the left-hand side. You can see his little silhouette there next to the door. Hitchcock, famous for making cameos in his movies, like the ones on your screen. Yeah, Back to the Eyes for RE308, some classics to start. We're going to get into some Back to the Future vehicles. Biff's convertible still smells like manure. I keep that top on there. Back to the Future 2 cars from the distant future. Second car, I'm going to need you to keep your feet on the ground. Keep your feet down on the ground. Compton, thanks you. The bottom of this heart. We've got Flintstones vehicles, if you guys want to go way back in time. The first environmentally friendly cars, all foot-powered. Invented by Elon Tusk, the environmentalist back then. It's true, yeah. Yeah, I know. It's hard out here, you know. Fast and Furious. We've got the 9th movie coming out. Hobbs and Shaw's currently in theaters. If you want to know when we're going to stop making Fast and Furious movies, it's whenever you guys stop giving us $1 billion every time we do it. Yeah, we'll stop then. Until then, I think it's kind of expected. Very important. Really turns up the drama. And here in sunny Southern California, we don't get much weather of our own. We like it that way. It gives us the creative control. Yeah? We don't want any rain interrupting our sunny time scenes. But when we want a big dramatic kiss, we want a fight sequence at the end of a John Wick movie, well, we're going to want to turn on a little bit of weather. So it's a little bit more dramatic. And here's how we do it. We don't do the thunder, but we do that rain. See that? Magical, isn't it? As long as you don't stick your head out and look for the sprinkler heads. I gotta warn you, it's less magical then. A lot less. But you can't do that when you're watching a movie because we cropped them out. And you can crop it out with your phones and your cameras right now too. Tell your friends outside LA it's raining here today, and they'll be forced to believe you. There you go. Here's the thing. We have to work pretty hard to make rain show up on camera. The raindrops are really thicker than normal drops. They're catching some sunlight now, but we have to light them properly on set. They used to have milk powder in the black and white film mirror. To make things really easy for you guys, okay? How about just a flash flood? You guys are gonna get a great picture of this. If you're in a blue seat, you might get wet. By the way, they're all blue. I just wanted to let you know. Can't believe it, is it? Thousands of gallons of water. Yes. Used in music videos like Lady Gaga's Judas, or movies like Big Fat Liar with Frankie Muniz and Amanda Bynes.
Maybe it's not all that bad.
Yeah, how can I help you?
What is the bad place like?
Well, it doesn't sound awesome.
They just wrapped up their 4th season of filming The Good Place. These sets are looking beautiful. And it is so cool, if you've seen this show, to get to go through these sets that are now iconic to the show, 4 seasons. Oh, very cool. Yes, the afterlife, complete with at least 13 different yogurt shops. Now we're going to round the corner. These are classic sets, guys. The running of the bulls happened here from City Slickers. Site from Steven Spielberg's War of the Worlds. Based on the book by H.G. Wells and the radio play by Orson Welles, all about an alien invasion. Tom Cruise, Dakota Fanning. And again, a real plane. $60,000 to buy that plane from a junkyard. An additional $200,000 to get it shipped to this location. That was gay with that shipping and handling, don't they? You're looking at about a $300,000 set. That's a lot, even by our standards. 300 grand, and here's the kicker. Used for less than 4 minutes of the final film. Here's some of those very expensive moments on camera.
The airplane will crash site set.
glasses, folks. We are almost back in Skull Island. You ready? Let's do it. Ladies and gentlemen.